Hey guys, just want to update you on where we are at in the swap. Right now the silver car is completely taken apart. We are 2 exhaust bolts, a U-joint or a universal joint for the steering rack over here needs to come out from inside, the 2 top motor mount bolts, and then the whole subframe. And then this thing should slide right on out. I'm pretty sure I got everything else off. The brakes are gonna hang there. They're gonna stay on with the chassis. And yeah, I think that's, oh, and these lines. I gotta get these lines out of the way, because these are gonna bind up with this power steering lines. The power steering lines like run under and around them. So if I were to pull this out, they would definitely catch. So I don't wanna have to disconnect any power steering lines or anything like that. So it makes this like a lot easier, and I don't get power steering fluid all over the brand new driveway, which I already had a little spill there. And you know who got a little mad, but whatever, it's fine. We're gonna take this out and hopefully get it done by tonight and put the subframe in. Who knows? One quick note I did want to mention is this is different on the 2 cars. This is the shifting linkages. These go to right over here, and on the Speed3 they go all the way to like right here. So we're definitely gonna have to change that up. And there's also these connectors right here is where the coolant runs into the car, and these are gonna probably be changed out because on the Speed3 they're angled kind of like this to make more room for the turbo. There's already a lot of room back here, but you can imagine with a turbo strapped to this manifold, it's definitely gonna take up some space. So these are probably gonna be a thing that need to be switched. I might even have to switch these lines. We'll see, depending on how or where these come to. I know that the AC compressor is in a different spot on the other motor compared to this one. The AC compressor is like all the way down here on this car, and I'm pretty sure it's offset a little bit on the Speed3. I could be completely wrong, but we'll find out in a little bit. How did this fall in here? You see this? Bro. Really? You just had to do this to me right now? How did this get over here? Nick, can you help me? Right there, you should be able to get through. No problem. Okay, we need to tie that up.
There you go.
Alright, we're gonna lower this down. All the shit. This is gonna come off too. It's all the power steering crap. Yeah, hold that there.
This side.
No, it's gotta stay with the motor. Here, can you hold this?
I was looking at the motor.
Hold this, buddy.
How many things you want me to do?
Should be doing this with actual light out.
Yeah, but we're not pussies. It's out, 100% out.
I still feel like it's stuck to something.
The exhaust? Nope.
Oh, it's hard to move, I guess.
Yeah, it's fucking heavy. Keep going. She's a
I'm
come.
stuck right here.
Yeah.
On this stupid thing. There we go.
Buddy.
Buddy. Alright, I think we can yank it. Yeah. Hey, we done did it. We got a motor out, boys.
Next week, Lanky Mechanics.
What'd you say?
What?
What the fuck? Alright guys, here you see it. This will no longer be in this bad boy ever again. Time to put the Speed 3 engine in there next. If you want a NA Mazda 3 motor, hit us up. We're gonna be selling this thing, trans, everything, literally how it sits. So if you need one, let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys when we put the subframe in next. Peace.
Peace.
Peace.